Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together or create a high converting funnel with Kartra. So I have been testing out my recent funnel that I've just put together, and so far it's been converting great. And I would like to show you the exact flow of the funnel and the pages that I have set up. And also, I would like to mention that if you need any help with your project that you're working on or planning to work on, if you need help, any help with putting together a funnel, or an autoresponder email sequences or anything like that, I am here to help. I have a few spots that opened up for my one-on-one coaching as well as done for you services. So if you have any project that is coming up, and if you need help with that, simply click the link below this video, fill out the questionnaire that I have for you guys, and let's jump on a call and discuss if we would be a good fit working together on your project. So let's go ahead and start with this funnel that I wanted to share with you that converts great for me. This might actually help you as well in creating your funnel. So the first page that I have where all the traffic lands is my landing page. I have an ebook that I have put together that I am giving away. I've decided to give it away for free. I used to sell it, but now I've decided, I just want to give back to you guys, and I just want to give it away, for free. For those of you guys who wants to learn more about creating a successful internet business. So if you don't have an ebook yet, by the way, go ahead and check out the link below as well, and download this ebook, go over it, and I believe it's gonna help you tremendously in your business. So I have a landing page that I have here, and when they click on the button, it has a pop-up that where they put their name and email, and then once they click I'm ready to get started or let's get started, it takes them to the next page, and the next page is this page right here. It just says congratulations and thank you for requesting the 7 aspects of building a successful internet business ebook. It just says that the ebook download link is going to be, it's on its way to your email box. And also it says, but wait, there is more. And I offer them my personal 6-figure online success blueprint course. So I'm basically saying that this online success blueprint course is going to help them or be a great addition to the ebook that they just that they should have received by now. And if they want to purchase the course, they can also purchase it for $37. And I just share, a little bit about this course, testimonials. I also provide bonuses for those who decide to purchase this course here. And once they decide to purchase it, it takes them to this checkout page right here that I have put together for them. And if they simply click no thanks, I don't want to purchase it at this moment, it takes them to a downsell. So it basically says like, yeah, maybe it's a little bit pricey for you. So I've decided to give you the same course for $10 less. And this helps convert more sales, obviously, for the course. Even though it is $10 less, I want to make sure that they get access to this course because I know how much it will help them in achieving their online business goals. So I've decided to offer a downsell for them. And, some people obviously decide to purchase it for $27. If they don't want, it basically takes them to a thank you page. Thank you for downloading the ebook. And that's it. And obviously they get an email with a download link. So if they do purchase the Online Success Blueprint course, I have another upsell for them, and it is my digital product creation course. That's where I share with them how to put together their own digital course or their own digital product, and how they can put together a funnel for it, and just start selling their own course online. So this is another upsell that I have, and I have a couple different payment plans for them. I have a $297 one-time payment for this specific course, and then a two-pay plan for $157 twice. So this is basically the funnel. If they do choose to purchase it, it takes them to the checkout page to check out, and then if they don't, it just takes them directly to a thank you page. So this is basically the flow of my funnel that I have, recently put together. And also, not only that, I do have an email sequence that is set up, for everybody who opts in. And I will just go ahead and show it to you really quick. So here is the email sequence that I have for everybody who opts in to get my ebook. So basically it is 11 emails so far. I am planning to add more emails to it, but it's basically, following up with everyone who have opted in to get my ebook. And what I do in the first emails, I share with them my personal story. For everyone who is new, who don't know who I am, this email sequence will help them get to know me. So I basically share, everything, about me, where I started out, just about my life in general, where I came from, and things like that. So they get to know who I am, and so they, it will help them create that trust. And also, I provide, or I give them another option to purchase the Online Success Blueprint course, the one that we just saw, which is this one right here. It gives them another option to purchase this course. And this email sequence is also converting great for me. I do get people who purchase simply through the email sequence. If they haven't purchased when they were just going through the funnel, the email sequence is converting sales as well. So it's really important to have that email follow-up sequence in your funnel that you're putting together, because not only that you can convert sales on the front end, you can also convert sales through the email sequence that you have set up. So in the next a few emails here, I share with them my fears that I had when I started out online, and basically work with them to overcome their fears or doubts, or anything that is stopping them from moving forward. So I basically just share with them that I understand, you might have fears, you might have different things that is stopping you from success, or from moving forward in life and in business. And these are the steps and things that I took that helped me. So I basically just provide them a lot of value, offer them my help, also encourage them to read my ebook first of all and take action, so they don't just get an ebook, read it, and just not take action, because it's not going to bring them results if they don't take any action. And my goal is to provide to you the exact things that you need in order to succeed, but not only that, to encourage you and motivate you to take action on what you are learning. That is absolutely crucial. That is the only way for you to get results, is if you take action. I also have due dates for them in this email sequence. So I share with them that if you haven't haven't purchased my Online Success Blueprint, my $10 off code expires. So I give specific deadlines and due dates within this email sequence. This will help them, give them a reason why they should get it now and not wait until a later date. Because, if they wait, they most likely will not take action. So you want to make sure you have something that you provide to them, or give them a reason so they would take that action. It's very important. I also have a customer follow-up email sequence. I only have about 5 emails here. So for everyone who purchases the Online Success Blueprint course, they are receiving this email follow-up to kind of build trust with them if they, still need some kind of encouragement and trust, and also to tell them, what they need to be doing to move forward and things like that, so they don't just, left hanging when they purchase the course. They do get my email follow-up sequence if they do purchase the course as well. Another email sequence that I have is a cart abandonment email sequence. So if somebody clicks on yes, I would like to purchase the course, but they don't purchase, they just leave the checkout page without purchasing the course, I have a quick email set up here for them, to go ahead and purchase the course. So basically what I have here, if they do purchase it, I created an automation that is just assigning them to a customer follow-up sequence, which is the one that I just previously showed you. And if they don't purchase the course, it takes them to it just puts them in another side of the sequence here that sends out this email for cart abandonment. So I just kind of said like, it looks like you haven't completed your purchase of the Online Success Blueprint course, and this could mean, one of these 3 things. I just basically, tell them that why I think they should go ahead and complete the purchase, and, how it will help them if they do purchase that course. So, and then that's all for this email sequence that I have. So once they purchase the course, I have an automation set up that it unsubscribes them from this email sequence. And even if they open this email right here, I have an automation set up to remove them from this sequence, so they don't, get this email over and over again. If they, for example, go through my emails again and end up on my checkout page, but they don't purchase again. So they don't get this email all the time, like when they end up on my checkout page. So I have the automation set up within the automations area here in Kartra. So as you can see here, I went to automations, and that's where I set up the automations. So if they purchase the Online Success Blueprint course, they need to be unsubscribed from my ebook funnel, the 11 emails that I showed you. So it doesn't keep telling them to buy this course if they already purchased it. And then also I've set up some automations to give them access to the bonuses that they are eligible to receive if they do purchase either Online Success Blueprint or digital product creation course. They receive access to my bonuses, which is other membership sites that I have, other courses that I have that I provide them for free. So they automatically get access to those courses as bonuses. And I have other automations set up here. As you can see, when they purchase the Online Success Blueprint, to unsubscribe them from the cart abandonment sequence, and when they open the email, to unsubscribe them as well from that sequence, so they don't receive those emails all over and over again, the same exact emails. So, and that is basically my funnel. It converts great at the moment. So let's take a look at some of the conversions that I have within this funnel. The cool thing about Kartra is it shows, it tracks everything, and you can track everything that is going on within the pages and the funnel itself, and it just shows all the analytics for you. By the way, if you don't know what Kartra is yet, it's a platform. As you can see, this is Kartra. It's a platform that I use to run my entire business on. So, and I have been using it for like over 5 years. I believe it's like 6 probably, or over 6 even. And I absolutely love Kartra. It is an incredible platform that you could use to run your online business on. And if you want to learn more about it, go ahead and find the link below this video as well and learn more about Kartra. So one thing that I love about it is it shows all the details and analytics for all the pages and sales conversions, all the tracking you can do within Kartra. For example, let's look at the landing page that I have. I had 132 visitors to visit this specific website. 74 visitors are over 10 seconds on this website. Average is 55 seconds. Average time on page is over 1 minute, and then the scroll, we could see all the percentages here. And then if we choose let's say another page, let's choose this one, the upsell page, and it shows all of the details here as well. Also if we choose also if we go to conversions and check that out, so we can see all of the stats here as well, and we can even see like each page conversions separately. So we can kind of have an idea like which page converts great, which page doesn't. So we know what exactly needs to be improved within the funnel and what pages work great already. I personally love Kartra and how well it has, everything that you can track and everything that you can see, and you'll know exactly what to improve within your business when you see all these numbers and all these analytics. So far, my landing page converts at 43%. My upsell converts at 12.3%. And then we can see at the checkout page, it converts at 54.5%, as well as the upsell or the second upsell that I have at 12.5%, and so on. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys got some value out of it. This is a brand new funnel that I've just released, but I did want to share it with you guys so you can have an idea what works for me, and to implement maybe those things within your funnel and to see how it will convert for you as well. I am planning to start to drive paid traffic. I want to scale it up and see how well it converts with a lot of traffic coming in through the funnel. But I wanted to bring this up to you guys and share what exactly has been working for me so far. And what I want you to do is to take action on what you are learning through my videos, through other videos. Taking action is a crucial step in you getting results in your business. And again, if you would like to get some help with the setup of your funnel or the email sequences or anything like that in your project or whatever you are setting up or planning to set up, let me know. Just go ahead and check out the link below, fill in the questionnaire, and let's jump on a call with you to discuss your project and if we are able to work together. Also check out the 7 aspects of building a successful internet business. Get your download, and I look forward to provide you guys a lot more trainings and videos on my YouTube channel. Click subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one.